Hey guys, so I got this truss rod finally. Came in the mail. Stick it in there, put it up there, and that's perfect. You can see it's not sticking out, so the truss rod cover will go over perfect. It's a good length. This is a 360 millimeter. Before I take this fretboard and glue it on to the neck, I have to do a couple things. I gotta take this here, that's 80, this rough, I'm just gonna rough this up and then rough the surface up, and then I'm gonna take this tape, I'm gonna tape the truss rod in, and maybe take the utility knife. Maybe I'll go get a, if I still got it, ow, the X-Acto knife. I'll put that there. Okay, so this truss rod is just, it's a tiny bit, maybe not even a millimeter, maybe half a millimeter lower than the original one that I was going to put in there, but the original one was too long, so this one's going to have to do. I got some clamps, Bissies. I got 4 of those, and I got 4 DeWalt trigger clamps. That might be enough. I might have to get some more, I don't know, put on there, but I'm going to go with that for now. Put that anyway. I'm just going to rough this up a little bit. The back of it, just make some, you don't have to do it a lot, just 80 grit. You just want to put some striations in it. Give it more surface area for the glue to adhere to. Now this, oh, I should get my garbage can. I always forget something at doing this. Okay. Now I'm just gonna wipe this off with the brush. This is a walnut fingerboard. Right here. It's all walnut. I did the inlays with resin and colored it. So that's that. Now, there, let's get that off of there. I'll put that down there. I'm just gonna, there, lightly, there we go. It's just a damp cloth. Now let's do the same thing. Oh, let's take this truss rod out first. We're just gonna do the same, just rough this up, same way we did that. Just get some striations in there, something that it can glue to. It just makes for a better contact when you're clamping it down. Okay, that's probably good for that. You don't have to go crazy with it. Okay, I'm gonna sweep this off with the brush first. And then take my damp cloth like I did, just lightly brush it off, brush all that old sawdust, that sanding dust off. Now I got that little bit of wet, so I'm just gonna let that dry a bit before I do that. And let's see, do I have a dry cloth here? Yeah. Paper towel, that might speed things up. There's not much water on there, but there. There's not much on there anyway. Could take my heat gun and do it, but just going to give it a minute. Dry this out here. This Gorilla Glue, Gorilla Wood Glue Type 2, that sticks to, once it sticks, it's like, I fixed, I got a valve in the toilet there in the RV, fifth wheel. I guess it is RV. Anyways, and the valve went on it, and there's this little flap that goes over the top. So I took it and cut it out on a laser, and I used this stuff to glue it back. I put a whole bunch on there, let it dry, and it's still been on there for, God, it's must be going on 2 years now. fix that. So this Gorilla Glue is it's indoor outdoor, so it's water resistant, but it's really good stuff. This here, let's see. Oh yeah, there wasn't much water on here. We're gonna go ahead and glue this now. So open her up. I got some spreaders here. Some are glue spreaders. Well, is this coming out? I think that'll be good enough. I can't get in there anyway, had it, so that's going in the garbage. Put my stick back there. Well, that's it for this video. I might speed some things up. Wow, 28 minutes. That's crazy.